Macbeth and Lady Macbeth are husband and wife in Shakespeare's play The Tragedy of Macbeth. Their relationship, as I just mentioned, are husband and wife, and they love each other dearly, so much that Lady Macbeth is even considering taking the blame or helping Macbeth with killing King Duncan, saying, "Now my hands are as dirty as yours," in a way. Um, and they their characters are somewhat different from each other. Lady Macbeth is cunning and smart. She knows a lot of stuff, and um, she only wants the best for her husband. Um, even when he has said that he will become king, she doesn't say that she wants to become queen. Um, and Macbeth, he at first he is loyal to King Duncan, and he is the Thane of Glamis. Um, Later, he becomes Thane of Glamis and Thane of Cawdor, and he is a skilled fighter, uh, which is the reason why he becomes Thane of Cawdor, because King Duncan realizes this and thinks that he is a brave warrior who doesn't uh, cower from the battle, who doesn't flee at the first sight of blood, but he fights till the end, till the deed is done, and therefore says to he promotes um, Macbeth to Thane of Cawdor, and thereby granting him this title. And Macbeth, he then wants more. He wants to become king because that's what he was. That's what the witches told him that he would become eventually. Um, so when King Duncan comes over to to Macbeth's castle to stay the night, Macbeth and Lady Macbeth uh, plot. They plot to murder King Duncan um, as a part of Macbeth's rise to be king. Um, and my personal opinion of them is that uh, I kind of like Macbeth. I thought he was maybe he shouldn't have gone to after being king, but maybe he should just have been still a warrior, or maybe just kept those Thane of Cawdor, um, Thane of Glamis. Maybe he should just have kept those titles instead of killing King Duncan, who, uh, because King Duncan liked him, almost saw him as a cousin to himself. And my personal opinion of Lady Macbeth is that she maybe she I don't that she is smart, as I've already said, and that you might say, yes, she wants the best for um, her husband Macbeth, but maybe it isn't the best in the sense that they both later die in the story. So this way they are not. Maybe she's not that smart in a way.